This 2026 East to West Alta 1900 mmk is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, TV antenna, skylight, awning, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 East to West Alta 1900 mmk is 5,463 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.